Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we are going to talk about Surron Ultra B error code ER050. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes only when users try to charge the Ultra B. Sometimes the charging works, but when it fails, it shows the error. According to our research, we were not able to find any official information on the error, but our research suggests that this error may happen because of a communication issue between the controller and the battery management system. It appears that the BMS detects the charger as faulty and doesn't allow the charging process to begin. To deal with the error, consider trying a different charger. During our research, we found that everything works fine when a different charger is used. So, connect a different charger and check for the error. If you still get the error over a different charger, then we suggest you reach out to the dealer and ask for assistance. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.